All right, I am on my program called the Pro Bono Consulting Program, and this program provides professional services consulting to minority-owned businesses in my local area. You can see here I'm on the program record. I have a number of different services that I provide, my program engagements, my program cohorts. So if I take a look at this marketing and communications consulting service, you can see that I've been delivering the services over the past couple of months. But one of the metrics that my executive team wants me to look at is the total value of those services provided. So we're going to add a couple of fields here to help determine the value of these services and then run a really great report at the end. Great, so the first thing I need to do is add a currency field to the service object. You can see here that I'm in the service object, which is one of the objects that comes with the program management module package, and I'm simply going to create a new currency field to host the estimated value of the service that I am providing to my beneficiaries, my clients, whatever you may call them. So I'm just going to call this estimated value. I'll go ahead and leave this 18 digits in length and no decimal places, just for a nice round number. Go ahead and click next. It's going to ask me which profiles I'd like to add this to. I'm going to go ahead and leave that the default for my org and go ahead and add that to my service layout. All right, the last field that I need to create now is a formula field on my service delivery object. And again, service delivery is one of those objects that comes with the program management module. So if you have that installed, you should also have this object. And I'm going to go ahead and create a new formula field on the service delivery object to allow me to report on the total value. So I'm going to call this service value. It's going to be a currency type formula. And I'm going to go ahead and leave this as 0 decimal places again to keep that nice and clean. I'll click next, and it's going to ask me what my formula is. I'm going to do a bit of cheating here and go ahead and paste my formula, but essentially I'm taking the estimated value that we just created on the service object and multiplying that by the quantity of service that has been delivered. You can check out the helpful links and information below for a copy of this formula. I'll go ahead and click next. Once again, it'll ask me which profiles I want to give this access to. I'm going to go ahead and leave that as the default, so I'll just click next. Add it to my page layout on the next screen, click save, and I'm all done and ready to start calculating the total value of the services delivered. Consulting, I went ahead and added my estimated value field. So you can see here that per hour of consulting time, we're estimating the value of that consulting time to be $200 per hour. And so now what we can do is use this value and the formula field that we added on our service delivery object to create a report that shows us the total value of all of the services that we're delivering. And we'll go ahead and do that next. Of the services delivered, and I want to do that over a month. So you can see here I have the skeleton of my report. I'm using the service deliveries report type, and I've added a couple of fields here, just the name of the service delivery record, the delivery date, and the service value. I'm simply going to group by delivery date, change that grouping to group by calendar month. I can add a quick chart, and now you can see I have a really nice chart that shows me the total value of services delivered over a period of months. And of course, I can change that chart as I see fit to meet my particular needs. Hope you enjoyed. Thank you.